We are asked to find the product of V times W times X. Well, let's look at clue 1. The product of V and W is 0. V times W equals 0. Well, how do you multiply two things together and get 0? One of them, at least one of them, has to be 0. So either V equals 0 or W equals 0. We know that either V or W is 0. We know that either, change colors, we know that V or W is 0. Doesn't matter which one, because when you multiply to 0 in there, we know we're going to get 0. So clue 1 works. Now, clue 2. X equals 5. That's not going to work. X equals 5 would be V times W times 5 equals 0. But there's no telling what that is. So only clue 1 works. Answer is A.